Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones QCY T13. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold connectional button for at least 10 seconds. Now we should see that LED light start flashing blue and red, so it makes that we make a hard reset. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device and click on your headphones and add the list. Now if you have the same problem as I am, just press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds. Now we should see it on the list, so click on it to connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!